So here's the problem we're going to work out here. You can pause this and read through this if you need to. So the reaction that's taking place is between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid, and this is obviously a neutralization reaction, and sodium chloride is formed along with water, and the information in the question tells me that a total of 25 cubic centimeters of sodium hydroxide, and the concentration of this was 0.115 moles per decimeter cubed, was neutralized using the hydrochloric acid, and a total of 12.00 centimeters cubed of acid was used, and they're asking me to find out now what is the concentration of the acid. Well, the first thing I need to do is think about how many moles of sodium hydroxide have I used. So if the concentration of my sodium hydroxide was 0.115 molar, if I divide that by 1,000, that tells me how many moles there'd be in 1 centimetre cubed. Multiply by that, I get how many moles are in my 25 centimetre cubed. So all I need to do here is 0.115 divided by 1,000 to tell me how many moles are in 1 centimetre cubed, multiplied by 25, and that tells me that in my 25 centimetres cubed of sodium hydroxide, there are actually 0.003 moles. Now, the next thing I need to think about is the fact that the sodium hydroxide and the hydrochloric acid react together in a 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 mole reacts with 1 mole, and in that case 0.003 moles reacts with 0.003 moles. And now I can use that piece of information to work out how many moles were actually in my 12 centimetres of acid. So all I need to do is 0.003 divided by 12 tells me how many moles are in 1 centimetre. I multiply that by 1,000, and that tells me that how many moles there would actually be per decimeter cubed. So 0.003 divided by 12.00 multiplied by 1,000, and that is going to actually work out for me. If I just do the math very quickly, 0.003 divided by 12 multiplied by 1,000 tells me that the concentration of my hydrochloric acid was in fact 0.25 moles per decimeter cubed.